Hey everyone, welcome back to our van conversion channel. Today we're super excited to introduce you to our latest custom build, a Ford Transit 1148 short wheelbase van named Pearl. She's compact but incredibly functional, designed specifically for long-haul road trips with ample battery power, smart space utilization, and plenty of storage solutions. Let's dive right in and explore all the amazing features packed into this van. This layout is based on our popular Erie floor plan, featuring a fixed rear bed to maximize storage space in the garage. The kitchen is strategically placed on the driver's side to ensure efficient workflow, while the passenger side houses a comfortable bench seating area. Cleverly hidden within this bench are both a shower and toilet, making great use of limited space and creating a space entryway. Pearl also features several personalized upgrades. The rear fixed bed is uniquely expanded without cutting into the van's exterior body, extending it to about 6 feet. This ingenious solution perfectly solves the common dilemma of limited horizontal sleeping space without expensive external add-on. Under the fixed bed, we've integrated a pull-out table secured with magnetic locks, keeping everything secure and tidy while driving. Additionally, on the passenger side, we installed a lagoon table. This adjustable table is perfect for 2 people working remotely, relaxing, or enjoying meals together comfortably. Moving on to the kitchen, despite its compact countertop, we've equipped it with a spacious 14 by 14 inch sink. A matching countertop cover adds even more workspace when needed. Above the countertop, 2 overhead cabinets offer convenient storage. Below the induction cooktop sits our classic 85-liter isotherm fridge, specifically designed for camper vans. Between the kitchen and sleeping area, a tall cabinet functions both as a divider and additional storage, neatly separating the spaces. While Pearl might be a short wheelbase van, our goal wasn't to put every imaginable feature into a tiny space. Instead, we focused on smart functionality and thoughtful design to create a spacious and comfortable environment. Whether you're working side by side or cozying up in bed for a movie night, every corner of this van feels inviting and warm. We believe in integrating daily living details into our design systems, meaning all the essential controls and switches are conveniently together. Every item you bring along has its own dedicated spot, and behind every cabinet door lies thoughtful storage reflecting real-life habits. Frequently used items can be stored up front, while larger gear and outdoor equipment have plenty of space in the rear garage. The van's battery and water tanks are neatly tucked beneath the bed on either side, equipped with a robust 10 kilowatt-hour battery, a 30-gallon fresh water tank, an 18-gallon undercarriage gray water tank, and an additional 7-gallon interior gray water tank. Hot water is provided by a compact 2.5-gallon Bosch heater. The organized wiring and placement of these systems open up even more storage possibilities in the garage. Pearl also features an exterior shower head at the rear, perfect for rinsing off pets and gear after outdoor adventures. Designed with all-season travel in mind, Pearl includes a clever hidden shower built right into the bench. Simply lift the cover and attach the shower curtain, instantly converting the space into a compact shower area, doubling as additional storage when not in use. Opposite this shower, a toilet is discreetly housed within another bench compartment. To ensure usability during winter, we've installed a secondary gray water system beneath the sink. This 7-gallon indoor tank prevents freezing issues that outdoor tanks face in sub-zero temperatures. Temperature regulation is handled by a roof fan and a powerful 48-volt AC unit, ensuring comfort year-round. Lighting has also been carefully planned, offering options for overhead lights, kitchen lights, floor lighting, and USB-equipped bedside reading lamps. Additionally, at the client's request, we installed a small fan in the overhead cabinet at the rear. There are 3 strategically placed 110-volt outlets inside the van, conveniently located for kitchen appliances, workspace electronics, and even outdoor equipment usage at the rear. Off-Grid Ready Pearl is fully equipped for off-grid adventures, featuring 400 watts of rooftop solar panels, a cell signal booster, and a Starlink-ready port. Combined with the onboard power and water systems, you can confidently embark on extended trips without relying on external utilities. External water and power hookups are also included, making Pearl equally suited for campground stays or wilderness boondocking. Living comfortably on the road doesn't mean complicated setups. It's about thoughtful, customized design tailored to each individual's lifestyle. If you're dreaming about hitting the open road, we hope Pearl inspires your own van life adventure.